Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today. Today is Friday, August 23rd, 2019, and that means it is Giveaway Friday. This is our fourth one, and this is what is in the giveaway this week. They are Karen cupcakes. They're super cute. I've never personally used one before, but I did order quite a few from the Yarnspirations clearance event, so I thought I would give a couple away this week. They come with these cute little pom-poms on top. They're so cute. Yeah, so this is what it is. It's two of these. You get 244 yards per skein, or per cake, I should say. The colorway is Peach Sorbet, and it is it's a DK weight yarn. It calls for a 4mm crochet hook, a 4mm knitting needle, and it also comes with a pattern. This is a crochet pattern. It is on the label. And then on this one, it comes with a knitting pattern. So if you knit, you'll have a pattern. If you crochet, you'll have a pattern. And if you do both, you have two patterns. All you have to do to enter my giveaways, 1 is be a US resident. 2 is give this video a thumbs up. 3 is make sure you're subscribed and notifications are turned on. And 4, I ask a question every week. And this week's question is going to be, what is your favorite yarn? Comment that down below. Let me know what your favorite yarn is. And on Tuesday, August 27th, I will choose a winner through the YouTube comment random picker, and it'll go through all the comments from this video and choose a random winner. So that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite yarn. Be a US resident. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and that your notifications are turned on. And I will announce a winner on Tuesday, August 27th, 2019 to let you know who won. So that was it for today, you guys. I know not a big giveaway. It's definitely not a lot, but I think they're cute. And yeah, so that's our giveaway. Remember, subscribe, notifications turned on, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're a US resident and let me know what your favorite yarn is in the comments below. So until Tuesday, August 27th, 2019, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.